Ever been in a lecture and thought, what did I just learn? Or maybe you zone out halfway through and scramble to catch up later. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make every lecture count with simple hacks, smart tips, and apps that'll change your learning game. Preparation before the lecture. Let's be real, lectures can feel overwhelming, but the secret to staying on top starts before you even walk into the room. Here's what you need to do. Take a few minutes to skim through the lecture slides or assigned readings. This gives you an idea of what to expect and helps you focus on the most important points during the lecture. Even just glancing at the titles and key concepts can make a huge difference. Set a goal for each lecture. Are you looking to understand a specific theory, or maybe ace a concept that's been tricky? With a clear goal, you'll stay more engaged. Active listening and engagement. Now that you're prepared, let's talk about how to make the most of the actual lecture. Instead of writing everything down, listen for the big ideas or points your lecturer emphasizes. Repeated terms, things they spend extra time on, or anything they say will definitely be on the exam, that's what you want in your notes. Don't be shy, lectures are meant for interaction. Asking questions not only helps you understand better but also keeps you engaged. If you're easily distracted, try using noise-cancelling earbuds like AirPods Pro during the lecture. It helps tune out background noise so you can focus on the lecturer's voice. Note-taking hacks. Let's talk notes. Good notes can make or break your study sessions later, so here are a few hacks for keeping them organized and effective. Choose the right method for you. Everyone's different. Try the Cornell method if you like structure, mind mapping for visual learners, or bullet points if you like things concise. Experiment and find what works best for you. Color code key concepts. A simple color coding system can help organize your notes. Use different colors for terms, examples, and key concepts so they're easier to spot during review. Use note-taking apps. Ditch the paper and try apps like Microsoft OneNote or Notion. You can organize notes, sync across devices, and easily search for specific keywords later. Plus, Notion allows you to create detailed databases, perfect for keeping lecture materials organized. Review right after the lecture. Don't wait until exam season to start reviewing. Right after the lecture is the best time to solidify what you've learned. Spend 5 to 10 minutes reviewing. Take just 5 to 10 minutes to review your notes while the content is fresh in your mind. Add any extra details or thoughts that come to you before you forget. The Summary Challenge. Challenge yourself to summarize the entire lecture in one sentence. This forces you to extract the main idea and strengthens your understanding. When it comes to reviewing, technology is your best friend. Here are some must-have apps for students. Tools like Anki or Quizlet help with active recall, one of the most powerful ways to retain information. Create flashcards for key points from the lecture and quiz yourself regularly. Take your lecture notes and turn them into quiz questions on Quizlet. This forces you to actively engage with the material rather than passively reviewing. If your university allows it, use apps like Otter.ai to record and transcribe lectures. You can listen back later and focus on parts you missed. Staying organized and consistent is key to getting the most out of your lectures. Create a lecture folder system. Keep your lecture slides, notes, and reading materials in organized folders on your device. Label them by week or topic to make everything easy to find. Schedule review sessions. Set aside specific times each week to review your lecture notes. Use apps like Google Calendar to schedule these sessions, so you stay on top of your coursework. So there you have it. With these hacks, tips, and apps, you'll be getting the most out of every university lecture. Remember, success is all about preparation, engagement, and consistent review. Start putting these tips into action, and you'll be thanking yourself when exams roll around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to crush your studies. Got any lecture hacks of your own? Drop them in the comments below, I'd love to hear them.